UNice. What have you done to me? I freaking love this bob wig, y'all. Let's get started with this installation process, okay? All right, y'all. So UNice sent over this beautiful bob wig. Like, I haven't received a bob wig that I fell in love with in a long time, especially human hair wise. Okay, so this wig, it is like, it has such great density to it. That's like the first thing I noticed, was how full it was, because usually I feel like when I get these type of wigs, like, they're very thin when you get to the ends, but this one was not. It was like just so well made. I really like it, you guys. So it comes with a side part, and I'm gonna leave it with that side part. I love how this unit looks. So let's get into how it came out of the packaging. It was kind of bleached. Like, I feel like it was like just a slight bleach to it, but I bleached it more, and I feel like I bleached it to perfection because it melted into the skin so good, y'all. Like, I was like, I mean, it was just like lace undetectable, y'all. It was, oh my goodness, I'm just in love with this wig. I'm wearing it soon, real soon. Okay, I'm just ready to rock this bob wig. Okay. So let's get into how I installed it. I installed it using the Got to Be Free spray and a little bit of gel as well. I wanted to keep it simple, light, you know. I was only wearing it for the time frame of the day, and I just wanted a quick, easy installation process. But it melted, okay? These products melted that lace. So I can only imagine what it would look like if you use like a lace glue. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I did just add a little bit of oil sheen off camera, and I also just flat ironed it, of course, getting it nice and set to go. I'm going to add some baby hairs as well to the front just to make it look a little bit more playful, natural, you know. Cut the ends where there were just a little bit of pieces hanging, but y'all, it didn't tangle, of course, it didn't shed. It is straight texture hair. Like I said, that density is up to par. It is so good. It is definitely big head friendly. Great quality hair. Like, I mean, great quality hair.